Grammar time! Let's talk about questions. Yeah, how do we form questions using semi-models? Well, first of all, you need to think about the tense. These questions are in present simple and past simple. And of course, you can use semi-models in any tenses. Don't forget it. So, first, yes, no questions. We use an auxiliary. For example, do, does, did, an auxiliary. And then we need a subject. You know, a subject could be a noun, a singular noun or a plural noun. And of course, you can use a pronoun too. Do you, does she, did you, does your mother, does your father, do your parents, does Jimmy, does, Anushka, yeah, a subject. Well, so we have auxiliary, subject, and then the semi-modal. Yeah. Do you have to? Does she need to? Did you wanna? Or do you want to? Don't forget it. We have three semi-modals here. Have to, need to, and want to. And then we need a there and a complement. For example, do you have to go? Do you have to go? Or does she need to travel? Does she need to study? Do you want to married? Do you want to get married? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Do you have to go? Yes, I do. Goodbye. Does she need to travel? Yes, she needs to travel. Yes, she does. These are yes, no questions. Remember, the auxiliary goes first. Now, let's talk about long questions. You need the first time a what word. A what word could be what, where, why, what time, how many, how much. All of these are what words. And then we use the auxiliary. Of course, it depends on the tense. So, why do, where did, what does, and the subject comes next. So the subject, it's a pronoun or a noun. You know that. And then we use that semi-modal. Have to, need to, want to. For example, why do you have to? What does you need to? Where do you want to? Where do you wanna? And don't forget, we need a verb and a complement. Look at that. Why do you have to go? Oh, I'm so sorry. I have to work, so I have to go now. Why do you have to go? Yeah, it's an open question. Now we need information here. Or look at the second one. What does she need to study? What does she need to study? Oh, she needs to study English. She needs to study math. What? What does she need to study? Is an open question. You see? And finally, look at my last example here. Where did you wanna marry? Where do you want to get married? Where? Well, I wanted to get married on the beach, but I couldn't. Oh, sorry. Yeah, remember, here we're talking about questions in present simple tense and past simple tense because we can use a semi-modal in any tenses. Present simple, past simple, present perfect, you decide. Well, that's all. Time to take notes.